everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram stories. And you all will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Just wanted to remind you to give this video a thumbs up. And now let's talk about the product. First product up is Framesi Primer 11 Leave-In Conditioner. Size of this is 8.5 ounces and can be found at FramesiProfessionals.com. And like they say, it's for professionals only. But you can also get it on Amazon, and it's actually Framesi's shop on Amazon that you could get it through. Pretty good. There it is sold for $25.90. Pretty good. This should last you around 12 months. Looks like it might be recyclable as well. Oh, and up here it actually says sold only in professional salons. Interesting. Free of sulfates, paraben, gluten, sodium chloride, and DEA. It has powerful anti-aging properties, apparently. For your hair, it is a leave-in spray that will give your hair vitamins, emollients, and even quinoa proteins. It has thermal UV protectants. It should feel weightless on your hair and also no buildup. It helps detangle your hair and gives your hair moisture, makes it feel silky, and give it a little shine. Shine on me. Ooh, yes. And supposedly it enhances your volume, giving it body and giving it strength. Basically repairing damage in your hair and the strength, which means making it stronger. This is meant to be used on any hair type, even color treated hair. They like to emphasize that it does help retain your hair color by 95%. Wow. They even have like a little logo here. Look at that. Look at that. They love color. They're all about color. Color lover. It fights frizz and stops any static in your hair. Also mend the ends and retain your style, any hairstyle. It has hydrolyzed quinoa, phenifera, fruit cell extract, pathanol, and superoxide dismutase. Wow. The fragrance in here is just plain old fragrance and aroma. Very, very light. You could hardly smell a thing. Maybe I'm getting a little bit of like a fruit candy, but it is light. Alright, now how to use it. Simple and easy. I'm going to do this side of my hair, and then the other side we'll leave for the other one. Just go ahead. It mentions either wet or dry, so because it's a leave-in conditioner, basically you could use it anytime. And since it doesn't build up, you could use it as many times as you want. So obviously my hair is dry. And then you go ahead and spray it. You could do it in sections if you like. Spray. I think I just sprayed the backdrop. I also like to just spray it on my hand. This. Just go ahead and do this. And then comb. That easy to use. It's so funny, on the instructions it says to comb it, leave it, and feel the love. Can you feel the love? I think I can. Next one up is Rusk Pro Restore 01 Leave-In Conditioner for normal hair. And they really put it there so you know it's for normal hair. Size of this is 12 ounces and can be found nowhere, unfortunately. But the reason why I want to talk about this is because you might find it somewhere out there in the world of department stores like TJ Maxx or Walmart even. These little guys seem to pop up. Maybe even on the shelf at a salon, because it is sold only to pros. So they might have stocked up and they probably have it on their shelf, or they probably use it on your hair. So just to kind of give you a little bit of a description of what they're putting in your hair, I'm going to talk about it. It did used to be sold on Amazon. You could still find the description there and everything, even pictures and things, but unfortunately they are sold out. It seems like Rusk completely took away this line, which is kind of sad because it was like new, literally right before the whole, that year happened. It was like, woo, Rusk Pro, and then all of a sudden gone, disappeared. Nothing, never to be heard of again. And this product should last around 12 months if you use it a lot, like every day. This weightless spray should help your hair repair and rejuvenate and to adapt moisture to condition that cuticle. It has CDE Flex 3 technology that surrounds your hair with a barrier to help protect your color, damage, and even environmental pollution. So there it is, CDE. Color, damage, environmental pollution. Wow. It helps detangle your hair and makes it very easy for styling. It has wheat extract, linalool, limonene, fragrance, perfume, glycerin, propylene glycol, and amodimethicone. Now the fragrance in this is exactly as it says, like a perfume. You could really smell the, almost like a regular hairspray. Yeah, almost like a regular hairspray. Not too strong though, but the scent is there. Like you could tell. Now with this one, it doesn't say, there's a lot of things that it doesn't say, but it doesn't say you could spray it on dry hair or wet hair. It doesn't say if it has UV protection. But what it does say is you want to spray it from root all the way to the end. So the whole shebang, make sure you get it all up in there. And these leave-ins, you don't have to wash out. Don't worry. No problems. No worries. Okay, here I go. Spray the backdrop again. Wonderful. Oh. Ooh. Very nice. Then go ahead and comb. Comb. There we go. Okay, now for the result. Here we go. And the winner is Rusk Pro 100%. Woo woo! Congratulations, Rusk Pro, you are the winner. I know before they took you away that I heard a lot of good things about you. Apparently a lot of people love your aroma. You always did good for my hair, and you always did good for many people out there who really like you. Alright. Congratulations, Rusk Pro. You are the winner. I do, however, have to say, give this one a chance. Framesi is not very well known as Rusk is. And, Rusk has another weightless leave-in that is super popular. You'll find that everywhere in stores. But if you want to give these guys a chance, I would highly recommend you heading over to Amazon and trying this out, because UV protection and thermal, that's basically what I need for my hair, especially with the color. So don't be scared to try new brands, and maybe next time this guy will be the winner. Not that there will ever be a next time, but anyways, yeah. Now it's your turn. I want to hear from you guys. Which one is your favorite? Have you tried Framesi, any of their products? I want to know if you even tried the brand yet, or have you tried Rusk Pro, or do you just use the regular Rusk products sold for everybody and everywhere in most stores? Yeah, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and you can get featured in next week's video. We have a few features this week. Of course, what it was about was lip plumping. Go check that video out, by the way. So the first one we got is from Undertone. She wrote, "I love the tingly feeling in the gloss." So that's another one for the Too Faced lip plumping gloss. Yes, the tingling sensation is probably the most satisfying feeling I've ever felt. It's very nice. Actually, also when I put on, well, anything on my lips, I guess. When I put on my chapstick and you get like that minty one, that's nice. If you ever tried Carmex, that's a good feeling right there. That's a nice feeling. The next one comes from Sassy Empress Highlights. She wrote, "Hi, I love your personality." Thank you. And I love that red lippy. Great video. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh, she also wrote later on that she noticed the lippy was pink. So yes, do I have it with me still? I do. Yes, it looks red, but when you put it on, it comes out a little bit pinky. So heads up on that one. I thought it was going to be a little red too. I was wrong. Last one comes from This Is Haps. She wrote, "You so cute. Love lip plumping gloss." I think everybody loved the lip plumping gloss. It is way easier than having to sit and wait 5 minutes. But the stars and the glitter, oh, I just can't give that up. Me being a glam rocker and all. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for joining me in the comment section. All the comments I get from you guys really, really make me happy. I love reading them. I love replying to them, of course. And if you are lucky, I love reading them here on these videos. So that's it. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye. I got a Christmas tree. The Charlie Brown Christmas tree here. It has lights. This is the only time you guys are going to see this, by the way. We are going to take it to my cemetery, to a special someone, and leave it there. And then it'll be bye-bye. So, say hello and goodbye. So pretty.